I'd like to be baptized.
No, my lord. It would only be right if you baptize me.
This is what my father wants.
You are my beloved son. With you, I am well pleased.